In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rich text to a Smartsheet dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a rich text widget, set a clear title, and format the content so your dashboard communicates cleanly and professionally. Start on the right side of your dashboard. Look for the vertical sidebar and click the plus sign. This is your widget library. From here, choose Rich Text. The Rich Text widget is perfect for explanations, instructions, or notes that give your dashboard viewers the context they need. Once you add the widget, look to the right side of your screen. A settings panel opens with options for this widget. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type a title. Enter a short, descriptive title that helps people understand what this text covers at a glance. Below the title field, you'll find styling options. This is where you can adjust how that title looks, so it stands out appropriately without overpowering the rest of the dashboard. If you decide a title isn't necessary, you can turn it off by clicking the toggle button to hide it. That's useful when your content speaks for itself or when the surrounding layout already provides enough context. Now, let's add your text. Move to the widget area on the dashboard and simply double-click inside the text field. You'll see your typing cursor appear and a small formatting toolbar will pop up. This toolbar gives you control over how your text looks and reads. Begin typing your content, then use the toolbar to apply formatting as needed. You can emphasize keywords, create clear headings, or add simple structure so your message is easy to scan. Keep your paragraphs concise, break up long thoughts for readability, and use consistent styling so the overall look remains polished. As you work, think about your audience. If this widget explains a metric, start with a quick summary, then add a sentence or two of detail. If it serves as a call-out or reminder, keep it short and direct. When choosing title styling, match the tone of your dashboard. A subtle title often fits better in data-heavy layouts, while a bolder style can help important instructions stand out. When you're finished typing and formatting, click away from the widget to see it in context on your dashboard. Make sure the title, if shown, complements the content and doesn't crowd nearby elements. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added clear, well-formatted information that elevates your Smartsheet dashboard and helps your viewers quickly understand what matters.